Hello everyone. Welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. It is Saturday, the 13th of July. In this video, we are going to do a price prediction for SoundHound AI stock. The ticker symbol is SOUN. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. Let's take a look at the 10-minute chart of the stock. The stock price retreated to $5.27 in the morning, trading on the 11th. And this process generated a lot of trading volume. It should be that big capital withdrew from the market, but this did not cause the stock price to fall. The next day, the market pushed the stock price up again. Although the stock price retreated after reaching $6.45, the retracement was not large. So what's next for the stock? The stock price pullback on Thursday seems to be a move designed to push the stock price higher. The trading volume on Friday was lower than the previous trading day, which seems to indicate that big capital has not withdrawn from the market, so I think the stock may rise further. But the upside may be limited, so my target price is $7.11. That's it. This is my analysis. If you have different ideas, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. See you in the next video.